Hello and welcome. In this presentation, I'm going to demonstrate how to install Cygwin with Python, so that way you can run my Python project to handle domain cascades. I'm running a virtual machine with Windows 10 that's brand new. Nothing's really been installed on it. So I'm going to start by going to the Cygwin website and downloading the Cygwin 64-bit installer. So you can install it from here, and I'm also going to include links to download the installers in the wiki article. So the installer downloads very quickly. So I'm going to go through this wizard, and I'm going to accept the defaults until I get to the package selection screen. Now here I'm going to choose Xmission because it's close by. Obviously, you can choose a mirror that's close to you. All right, so on this page, this is the package selection screen. I don't actually need Java installed to run the package, so I'm going to go to where Python is. And you might need to search for this. What I'm doing is I'm looking for Python 3 because that's the version that I need to run the project. So I click on this, launch the Python 3 include, and then I also need Python pip. Pip is the Python installer that installs Python packages. The project has some dependencies in it, so I'm going to need to include pip as well. So that's it. I click next, and now it's going to start installing. All right, so while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and download the software package. So I'm going to go to GitHub. The domain metadata modifier package. And I click clone or download, so I'm going to download the zip. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and extract it. So I go to my downloads folder. Let's see. There it is. So I just need to extract this. While that's going, I'm going to see how my Cygwin is doing. It's still installing. Okay, so there's my folder that has my Python project in it. Okay, so now my now the Cygwin is finished installing, so I'm going to go ahead and click finish. And now I can go ahead and I can launch the installer. So it put a launcher on my home screen, so I'm going to double click that and start this. All right, so there's a requirements file that's included with the project that has all of the dependencies in it, and I need to use pip in order to install those dependencies. So I need to go to the project folder. So I'm going to go to Cig drive, C, users, Steve, downloads, and go to the domain metadata modifier master. There we go. So now I'm in the right folder. All right, so I'm going to run pip3 install our requirements. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, so I'm getting a few errors here. Not exactly sure what's going on with that, but when I've done this in the recent past, I've been able to safely ignore those errors. So now I should have my environment all set up, and I'm going to go ahead in the next video and start using the project. Thank you very much.